South Bay Families Connected.
Loss is a difficult part of our human experience. Recently, our South Bay community has suffered many losses and tragic accidents. It's really a time for our community to pull together and console each other in our shared grieving experience and support the surviving friends and family. Grief and loss are experienced when someone that we care about passes away, when families separate or divorce, when a pet passes, or even when a friend moves away. When parenting our children and teens, it's important to remember that everyone has their own grieving experience. Try to allow your child to experience their grief in their own way and with the space that they need. Encourage them to come to you when they want to discuss their sadness or fears. There's a typical loss cycle that people often experience when they are suffering a grief or a loss. First, there is denial, then a bartering stage, then anger, then depression, and finally reaching a stage of acceptance, where one has come to terms with the loss and is forging forward to developing a new normal. Here are some common signs that children or teenagers may be experiencing loss: depression, sadness, fatigue, withdrawal, heightened anxiety, sleep troubles, or psychosomatic symptoms, which may include headaches or stomach aches. Here are some tips to help your family if you're coping with a loss. Express your feelings to your partner and your children. Really listen to each other and hear what each other has to say about your experience. Be patient. It is going to hurt. It can take months or even years to process a profound loss and to come to terms with a changed life. Confide in family and friends. Reach out to those who can understand your loss and will just listen and be there for you. Seek outside help if necessary. There are lots of wonderful resources in the South Bay to help one cope with a loss if you are still struggling. I hope that these tips help keep your South Bay family connected.
South Bay Families Connected.